Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your data, back up to Google Drive or an external computer so nothing disappears. Once done, make sure the Pixel has at least 50% battery or stays plugged in. A power loss can corrupt the process. If you can, sign out of your Google account. This avoids factory reset protection issues later. Now, go to Settings and then System to start the reset sequence. You'll follow two main methods from here depending on phone responsiveness. You'll use Settings when the phone responds. First, open Settings, tap System, then Reset Options and choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. Next, confirm your PIN or password when prompted, because this secures your device and confirms you. You'll see a list of accounts and media scheduled for deletion. Review it to avoid surprises. Tap Erase All Data and wait patiently. The Pixel will reboot and perform the reset automatically. Do not interrupt it, because stopping can cause If the phone is unresponsive, use recovery mode. Power it off, then press and hold power plus volume down to reach the bootloader. Use the volume keys to highlight recovery mode and press power to enter. In recovery, select Wipe Data/Factory Reset and confirm. This will erase everything and restore defaults. Once finished, choose Reboot System now. If the process fails or the device gets stuck, try another USB cable, clear cache from recovery, or contact Google support for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.